With the latest release of the GoPro Hero 11, GoPro introduced Hypersmooth 5.0, which offers built-in horizontal lock and a wider field of view. So you can really ask, do you even need to spend another $100 on a Max Lens mod anymore? Let's find out. Well, the answer is yes and no. Max Lens mod was first introduced in 2020 with the release of the GoPro Hero 9. It's capable of recording up to 5K 30fps, 4K 60fps, or 2.7K 120fps. The thing is, Max Lens mod offers maximum stabilization and an ultra-wide-angle 155-degree field of view. It means you can get a wide field of view and a super steady horizontal lock. This horizontal lock is pretty amazing, and distortion is much more acceptable. FOV is bigger but wider horizontally and narrower vertically. With 2022's release of GoPro Hero 11, we get Hyperview, which offers more of the same that the Max Mod lens offered. GoPro Hero 11 can shoot in 4K 60fps, which most people go for. You can even go for a higher resolution of 5.3K. Hyperview can shoot in higher FOV and a much more reliable horizontal lock than its previous models. The footage looks crispier, and the FOV distortion is not that bad when there's too much shaking or moving. The biggest thing is that the GoPro Hero 11 can do all these with its stock lens. If you install the Max Lens mod onto your Hero 11, it'll shoot with Max Superview, not with Hyperview. You'll get lower resolution footage, grainy image quality, and not maximized field of view compared to Hyperview. That means you're paying an extra $100 for those additional advantages, which are now reduced. Granted, you'll get some more distortions with the stock lens in GoPro Hero 11, but that'll not bother you, and you'll get a much higher resolution. So where can this lens mod be useful, you may ask? Well, imagine you're hiking with GoPro mounting on the rucksack. There will be less wobble, especially with the time lapses on, or if you're doing flips with your bike and whatnot, and you need the horizon level all the time. For fast action sports, stability comes in handy. Max Lens mod doesn't decrease minimum focus distance as other fisheye lenses or adapters do. While Max Lens mod is effective, it'll not give you a 360 cam level of perfect stability. But if you're doing nighttime lapse or paragliding, there's not that much use case for the Max Lens mod. There are other downsides too. You can't use any ND filter with it, and GoPro Hero 11 doesn't do 10-bit color with a Max Mod lens installed. The Max Lens mod is very easy to scratch and almost impossible to protect from those scratches unless you shoot tactic shots and don't let anything ever come close to it, but the GoPro is intended to be used ruggedly. Also, GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11 are waterproof up to 33 feet, but the Max Mod lens is waterproof up to 5 meters or 16.4 feet when installed on a Hero camera. Currently, you can get a GoPro Hero 11 for $500, a Hero 10 for $450, and a Hero 9 for $350 officially. So if you already have a Hero 9 and you're not thinking about upgrading it, you can get the Max Mod lens for maximum stabilization and a wider field of view. But if you're upgrading or going for the GoPro Hero 11, you don't need this lens mod. It seems like Max Lens mod was developed for GoPro 9, worked great with 10, and GoPro 11 doesn't really need it, but you can use it. You have to understand that Max Lens mod came out before Hyperview existed. If you shoot in 4.3 with a Max lens and then stretch it to 16.9 in software, you can get some interesting results. Max Lens mod is just a tool, and if you use it, it does work well, but it's not a good buy if you won't use its features to your advantage. However, GoPro really needs to upgrade and innovate their mods if they want people to buy and use them effectively. So that was our opinion about Max Mod lens for GoPro Hero. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.